Today we're going to be looking at Ruwac's heavy-duty clear plastic bag for our Red Line series. This is our general housekeeping vacuum. So we have our 9-gallon dustpan, and these bags are 36 inches by 40 inches, and they fit very nicely into these dustpans without any additional tools or components necessary to install them. So you kind of just fit it around the edges. Make sure it's in there nice and tight. Do your best. Get it sealed there. We put it right back in. We're going to be sucking up some sand today. We're going to be using our anti-static urethane hose with grounded cuffs today, and our 2-motor Red Line vacuum, our R200. We're going to pull the material in through the 10-foot hose. And what's going to happen is, instead of falling directly into the dustpan, it's going to fall into this heavy-duty bag that we've installed. And this really just helps reduce risk of the operator coming in contact with the dust. It's a good amount there. So now we're going to turn off both the motors. Let the machine come to a rest before we shake the filter shaker bar. And what this does is it drops any residual dust off of the filter down into the plastic bag before we open it. So anytime we open the vacuum, we're always going to want to turn on one motor, capture any dust that might be present in the air. You can turn that off now. Now if you want to come closer, look at all this dust in here. It's falling directly into the bag. We're going to take the bag, fold upwards and inwards, seal it off. Tie it, twist it. Your waste is ready to get thrown out. Your operator never comes in contact with the dust. So we sell these bags in rolls of 100. If you're interested in our heavy-duty clear plastic bags for our general housekeeping series, please give us a call. We're going to be releasing a lot of new videos on new product releases from Ruwac and Ruwac news. If you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you get all of the notifications when we release a new video. Thank you.